Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a wellness center and you're looking for professional, affordable website for your business, you're in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to create a simple website for your business. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details are needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, Wellness Center. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our Wellness Center so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region where my wellness center is located. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is situated, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for us. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the facilities at your wellness center. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. Today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's click on the first section. Go ahead and pop in our email address over here. Let's make sure that is visible on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and actually tick that box. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our physical location, our street address. Great thing about that physical location, when your customers actually click on that address, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. And update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Now, if you have a logo, go ahead and head over to the update logo section and put it in over here. If you want to make slight amendments to that logo once it's been uploaded, crop it, rotate it, add filters, frames, click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save. And on the right over here is where you can make that logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Look at that. Looks absolutely fantastic. Now with Mighty Sites as well, if you want to change the colors that were pre-selected on your website for you, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. So many to choose from for your website. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image first. Now, over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images, search through the photo library to go through all the free images in the free library. Otherwise, an new option we've recently introduced is to actually connect your Instagram account and pull in all the images directly from your Instagram account so you don't have to upload all of them. Under update action is where you can change that button text as well as where the button links to. You can link to another website and action as well as upload a PDF file, which is a great way to upload maybe your various rates and facilities in PDF format. Under update contents is where you can change all that content for each section that was pre-written for you. In the next section over here, again, you can update the design, the content, as well as that button as well. And the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered Marty Sites email you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the button at the bottom, connect your domain. Go ahead and click on this button to set it up. Otherwise, if you'd actually like to purchase a personalized domain, to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy, you can click on this button and actually purchase it through the Marty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your wellness center. Really wishing you and your wellness center Marty success.